What's up guys, it's Mr. Creative here with a new video today on a giveaway. We're going to be giving away some cool stuff, so stay tuned. So yeah, if you didn't get that cool intro there, we are going to be giving away some cool stuff today. Some 3D prints, and you will be able to go into the description and go have a chance to win. You will be able to win one of my custom logos that is really cool, and it is 3D printed on my 3D printer, which is right behind me. You have about a month to enter, and then we will choose our winners and who will win the 5 of the tags, and they are really cool. So yeah. So I don't have the tags 3D printed right now because I kind of want to keep that a secret until we start getting into the stuff, getting into the giveaway, until we start getting some people interested and stuff like that. But I will say the 3D model. Okay, and here is the awesome product right here, 3D model, and it will be on a keychain tag that you can bring them around with you anywhere. It would be really awesome. This was created in one of my past live streams, if you were one of the viewers, or if you saw that on the channel. It's been a little bit better. I added this text and cleaned up the actual logo design, and I think it looks much better. So yeah, I'll post right here the picture real quick to show you what it looks like. Yeah, that's my original logo compared to this one right here. It's pretty cool, and so yeah. So enter the giveaway down in the description, and you have a chance to win. Oh, and how could I forget? How do you enter? Well, there's 3 ways. All you have to do is you have to subscribe to the main channel. You have to go check out my Thingiverse page where I make all my 3D models and stuff, and then answer a question about how you think about my videos and if you think they're good or stuff like that. Just give me a little bit of feedback on what I can improve on to make better content for you guys to watch. Thanks. So yeah guys, I know this was a very quick video, but thanks for watching. Please enter the giveaway. It helps me so much, and you get free stuff out of it. So yeah, so I'll see y'all next time in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.